Okwir Mugenyi Moses, a principal of Victoria School of Nursing and Midwifery. Otinowa obedo skills competition, regional skills competition for nurses and midwifery students. Actually obedo ninda para biro lira Otinowa obedo skills competition, regional skills competition for nurses and midwifery students. Timere Lira School of Comprehensive Nursing, Nina Parabero. That was 17th of this month. So it was actually following the approval by the school management to allow our students to participate in the competition. So the delegation, Otino Wame Yero, Otio Tina Bichel. 3 students work in nursing, then 3 midwifery students. So to make a total of 6 students, the 2 tutors which we sent, and their team leader, Chala principal. So Karagino Tunukunu, the school hosting, that's Lira School of Comprehensive Nursing, Tojola Gaber. And majorly the host for the skills competition with Lira School of Comprehensive Nursing. That is the host. So theme training man, Roberto, promoting excellence and innovation in nursing and midwifery education. The participating institutions are the one who participated are 5 health training institutions within Lango region. So among the 5 schools who participated, the health training schools, Victoria School of Nursing and Midwifery is among them. Then we have Lira School of Comprehensive Nursing, Otieke de Dohe Joame participating school of Carabedo UCI. Then we have King James School of Nursing and Midwifery, Florence Nightingale School of Nursing and Midwifery. My schools are habitually not participating. Majorly, the objective of my competition was on structured clinical examination covering maternal child health, medical and surgical nursing, pediatric nursing, infection prevention and control, emergency and critical care, professional communication and ethics. And at that time of competition, at each station, as I've read above, we are testing. Actually, was based on clinical competence, was on clinical competence, and then critical thinking, time management, infection control, and teamwork. That was the area which was judged. Then the achievement. Okay, this party's performance and achievement, the overall result, which take me, you can get doing school, Victoria School of Nursing, emerged as the best overall, with actually 2 students. Student on goal. Actually, Atina Chiel Kingi with a student. Team of program in nursing. Then the second student no goal with Atina Chiel of midwife. Atina Chiel team program midwifery. Mio Tino Ario, Tina Chiel, mono goal with Atina team program nursing. Tin Mena Mario, mono goal with Atina team program midwifery. So Mio Tino Ario, Victoria School of Nursing qualifies for the national competition, which is scheduled for 28th April 2026, which will take place in Jinja School of Nursing and Midwifery. Mano do nwabedo ametie in Jinja City. So ginapira tek kamaromo kobweno.
Okay. Tamo tinini work not excelling?
Tiyo moha bayar pien after national team promising oteno wani kubi international competition abedo moha bina me ponge karamere ame atama abedo Japan ame oteno ne moho dana moha ngene gina tim maber karo dosho me wek nying chukul wa tingere me ti lao ka ni Uganda loro gino moho ni otim maber national skill competition. Wanda omoha manu pien wanda mpotu tu tatag mene nyimo teno wa berabe.
My name is Among Mashlet. I'm a student of Victoria School of Nursing and Midwifery. I'm in year 2, semester 2. I just want to take this privilege to thank the Almighty because of the things He's doing to our school. One of the things, we had a competition, health skills competition, which was in the regional level, and I was one of the students who participated in it, and I thank God helped us, and I managed to be the best student who managed to win the competition, and we came back with the gold medals and our certificates. As well, we are supposed to go for a national competition in Jinja, and one of the things which motivated me is to improve on my skill of being a nurse, and also to show others how our school is performing and how they teach us. So it means that in Victoria we get everything, as we say that it is a 5-star school, so it can come from there. So that is one of the things which motivated me. And my hope, when we go to Jinja, I know we are going to come back with also gold medals and all the rest, and we shall go to Japan.
My name is Nadunga Flavia. I'm so privileged just to be before you. Yeah, this is the Victoria School of Nursing and Midwifery. I represented our midwives at the regional skills competition. Yeah, I happen to be the winner among the midwives just from all the regional competition. Please, we are now to go for our internationals. Please, we beg to be the best there, and still we are to come back with our medals. We don't really be like we are to forget our medals. We are to come back with our medals. Just we are influenced by our tutors. What they really teach us is really the best, and that's what really made us to overcome the competition and come back with the medals back to Victoria School of Nursing. We influence everyone just out to join the school. It's always the best, and we always appear victorious. Thank you.
What?
Yeah, my expansions once I reach Jinja, they're just very few, but very great for me. Yeah, I really promise to be the best person, and we still win our medal back to Victoria. Thank you.
Ano luang kau payas nyantu, beda punya duang me Victoria School of Nursing and Midwifery. Ana ya telo team me ya school kan me wari PMA skills. PMA skills o timere Lera School of Comprehensive Nursing. Me institutions am otero tinogi PM me dero mabro skills ni unotie King James, unotie Florence Nightingale, unotie UCI, unotie Lera Comprehensive Nursing, ekate wana uteberatie ya Victoria School of Nursing and Midwifery. Comme jo me registering ni one Victoria School of Comprehensive Nursing ena yo katuna machiel.
No, me katuna machiel.
Wano katuna machiel pien o tinowa obedo jo ame obedo winy. Sha wano winy pe piemi ote ko be mano bedo gina me o ta chokro chuny gini mano pe obedo gina dok jak wala bedo gina me oba mi ko ame yindo inwe iwot kala nyuta nyura inwe wunyuta nyura sho mir pe bedaluo so sha wano ko be kitu te drilling gi pininario so am chama drilling pini na rio uta kwanye kin jo ame nutie kin par uta kwanye jo adek ikom midwifery adek nursing adek ame no timo gina ba so in jona yo anta wot kedgi woro punya rio punya chiel tie chung pini midwifery punya chiel tie chung pini nursing e kanante telo wigi
ini wi ni ngai cha dong lanyo
sha wan lanyo yo bela yom pia no tie ngi nda lanyo ko yes
message ngai ticket
wano yi kare chon
nyale ko message ngai ticket gi bot nyale
nyale una ako ni kelu tinu we Victoria School of Nursing. Victoria School of Nursing and Midwifery tie kede o jo ame tikede ngech jo ame dong ungi la lo ni ungi jo ame tikede experience man tikede ponya don tutwal ame ti Victoria School of Nursing and Midwifery so jen tikede kireme ko bo ngech bodano yeah ena mio atia kwa yunu nyale ho ni kelu tinu we Victoria School of Nursing and Midwifery